How to transfer all data from your old iPhone to a new one. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer all data from your old to new iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the process is really simple. You'll need both of your iPhones together for this. After you have that on your old iPhone, what you'll need to do is head over to your settings. On your settings, you'll find a lot of different options. What you'll need to do is scroll down and go to the general option. On your general option, you'll find again a lot of different options. What you'll need to do is scroll down, go to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on that and there you'll see prepare for new iPhone option. Tap on get started. After you tap on get started, tap on done, and if you just see here, you will see what this happens. So right here you can see uploading apps and data to cloud. First it'll do that. After that you can use this iPhone to quickly sign in. So on your new iPhone, what you can do is simply sign in into your account. After you sign in into your account, you can just put your phones together and start transferring data. So you can come back here, tap on get started. That will be just it will be located, or it will be near your, when your two devices are near you, it'll start giving you pop-up of setting up new iPhone. Doing that, you can tap on continue and your transfer process will begin. And it's basically that simple. All you have to do is go to settings, go to general, come here to transfer or reset iPhone, and then get started. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.